How to buy $J. Jambo token crypto coin. How to buy MEXC Global KUCOIN Solana SOL Raydium phone OKX blockchain. Sup everybody, Helper Dog here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today, we're going over the J token. Now, J is the ticker symbol, and the name of the token is Jambo. Jambo is building the world's largest on-chain mobile network powered by the Jambo phone. This token just went live for pre-market trading, and we're going to go over the details of the token and how you can get it in just a second. Before we begin, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly informational. Take it with a grain of salt and always do your own research before investing in anything, especially crypto, because it can be very volatile. Now, Jambo has announced several central exchange listings starting January 22nd, just 9 days away. It will be listed on a number of central exchanges under the ticker symbol J. You can already get this token for pre-market trading as of January 10th on MEXC Global. Pre-market trading is an over-the-counter service offered by MEXC that allows users to buy and sell new tokens before they're officially listed on the exchange. This service lets traders set preferred prices and find matching trades, offering an opportunity to trade at favorable prices before the public launch. By participating in pre-market trading, MEXC users gain a competitive edge before the tokens are officially issued. You can find more info about this on the MEXC Global website. So, until the official release on January 22nd, you can participate in pre-market trading. If you want to join, you simply need to open an account on MEXC Global, fund it with USDT, and then search for J or Jambo in the pre-market section. After the official release, you'll be able to buy the token in the normal trade section. Jambo has been quite active on Twitter, with 35,400 followers, and it's backed by Paradigm. They've announced a prize pool for an event that you can check out on their pinned tweet. Pre-market trading is also available on KUCOIN, so it looks like this token is going to be listed across several exchanges. The Jambo phone is also part of the project, and there are giveaways happening, including for the Jambo phone itself. There's a Telegram group with 1,746 members where you can discuss the project and ask questions. Jambo's website provides more details, including stats on their global reach: 128 countries, 71,262 phone orders, and over 5,800 wallets. They also have a 100 million J token airdrop prize pool, and you can participate through their website. Jambo's token is integrated with the Solana network and will use the Solana SPL USDT stablecoin as a primary reward mechanism for user engagement incentives. Jambo has tons of partners, including major names like Coinbase, OKX, and others. It's definitely a project worth keeping an eye on, and you can learn more on their official social media pages like Twitter, Telegram, Instagram, and TikTok. So, check out the J token for pre-market trading on MEXC Global and stay tuned for the official listing around January 22nd. Let me know in the comments what you think about the J token. Do you think it's a good investment? Thanks for watching and have a great day out there. Peace out.